wanted to make this video because I have seen some people complaining, saying that Walksnail is unflyable because of smearing, that maybe they're not sure about jumping into Walksnail because of smearing. Even some big name, names I won't say, are saying that Walksnail's broken because of smearing and the mush that you see in the screen. And I know a lot of people that fly Walksnail know that this isn't a problem anymore, but I wanted to demonstrate that and talk about the settings I use. So this is a short little video. Just gonna show you the quad I'm gonna fly, the settings I'm gonna use, and a quick rip around my yard straight from the DVR and the goggles. And you can see for yourself, is it unflyable? Is there smearing? I know it's not an issue, but some people seem to think it still is. And I get hesitating if you're a hobbyist and you watch these reviewers, some of them saying that Walksnail's broken, it's unflyable, and that's just not true. For whatever situation you're in, you can adjust the settings, you can get rid of smearing, and just like any system, when you get to the edge of signal, it's going to break up and you're going to have problems. DJI does it, Analog does it, HD0 does it, Walksnail does it, but when you're in signal, smearing isn't an issue. And you'll see that in this DVR. So I just want to do a little Walksnail myth busting and show you guys that we don't have to worry about smearing anymore. You have to find something else to complain about because smearing is gone. This is the little quad I'm going to use. It's a 65mm little bitty guy. It's the We Bleed FPV crown frame, We Bleed motors, Beta FPV cross, 1S light, BTX, Beta FPV canopy, and excuse the mess on the desk. We'll go over here to the scale, and 26 grams. So this is the little guy we're going to use to demonstrate. I might fly this 75mm as well, just to kind of show this so-called smearing that people are talking about. It's going to be goggle DVR, not off the board, but from the goggles themselves. So the settings, you turn your 3 DNR to mid, turn the sharpness down a little bit. I like to set my cam to race, even though it kind of seems like it doesn't change anything now, but 720p, high bit rate, high frame rate, find a clean channel, and I'll show you the goggle DVR. But I haven't seen smearing or had a problem seeing sticks and stuff in a long time. And as you can see, smearing isn't really an issue. A little 1S light, settings are 720p, high bit rate, high frame rate, 3 DNR mid, turn my sharpness down a little bit. Flies just fine. See all the branches? I can even see a little telephone wire and do a power loop around it, or split S over it. It's this myth of smearing ruining the system, that you can't change settings, that it's a codecs issue. It's just not true. You can adjust your settings for the situation. You can get rid of smearing and see everything you can see with DJI Vistas. So there you have it. I just wanted to make this video because I keep seeing people either hesitant to buy because of what they hear. I see big name reviewers talking about how the system's broken because of smearing when it's just not true. So Walksnail myth squashed.